Going on, guys? So today's gonna be we'll be messing with this camera. I'm gonna record it on the phone as well. We're gonna try out the zoom in the Wi-Fi app running this camera. We're gonna try multiple shots, multiple zooms in different places. As this is the Sony HDR AS50. Awesome, you can put this anywhere. This is a good camera. Let's get on with the review. So there it is, guys. There's the Sony AS50 HDR. Not too bad, guys. It's a really good dash cam. You can kind of see my setup right here. Okay, guys, we are connected to the cell phone viewer. I'm going to try out the zoom. Not bad, not bad, guys. Look like it's some kind of giant, guys. Crushed a house. Okay, we're going to try to zoom in. What's good about this, guys? I have to jump down. Is that I can walk away carrying this camera. If I hide it somewhere like this, walk away. You can walk away pretty far, guys. Nobody will know what you're doing. You can zoom in. Subject, look at that. It's playing out. Okay, guys, we're connected. Hopefully you can hear me. Let's go ahead and zoom in. That's about as far as I can zoom, but it's still a nice feature to have, that you can zoom in on something and see further into that area. Zoom out. Wow, that's not bad, guys. Zooming feature is awesome, I think. You can walk with it. And then you could just set it down on something, guys. You want to check out the clouds, we can check out the clouds. And you can see it's kind of a round view. But, you know, it's pretty cool, man. I'm liking this thing. The more I use it, the more I like it. Check out the zoom here. Let's see if I can find my way. That's where we are, way down on the ground, guys. Try to head out of here soon. Let's take a look how it is in the woods. And I can just set this anywhere and just wait for something to come along from the woods. Like whatever, a Bigfoot, whatever. I can strap this to a tree or whatever. You know. That's pretty cool, guys. I just wanted to show you guys this. Oh, he left. Okay. The steady shot seems to be really cool. There's a bunch of freaking tires, you know. But what's good about this, I can just place it anywhere. I can place this anywhere, guys, and just walk away. And use my camera. I could walk away pretty far just to get into a safe area and hide, you know. Or just leave it sit for 4 hours, come back, see if anything entered the area, or what, you know, if you have an idea that something's entering the area, you could easily just stick this camera anywhere. That's what I like about this camera. I'll just put it here, you know, on a certain angle that I can see if anything walks by. What's up, guys? I'm trying to get you some footage of camera on a mini tripod. Alright, and it's pretty cool because I wish cell phones had steady shot, you know, but they don't. So see how easy it is, guys, to hide that camera. I mean, the quality on the phone is so awesome, guys. You could easily do maybe some really good videos on here. And the camera is so hard to see, you know, like if I put it on the ground somewhere and camouflage it a little bit. So there it is, guys. There's the Sony AS50 HDR. Not too bad, guys. It's a really good dash cam. You can kind of see my setup right here. I don't know if he'll have time to check it out right now or not. Supposed to be there during the week. That might be him up in front of us there. So maybe he could do it. I don't know. I gotta see. I just don't know, guys. Yeah, it looks like he's pulling in. He looks like he's a bit busy. Yeah, he's a bit busy. I think I'll just keep going by. I'll have to come back later, guys. He's pretty much busy. I'm just gonna try to do a U-turn. Maybe I check that dumpster, see what's in there, guys. I don't know. Looks like some people doing hole shots. Little stop sign. We're just gonna do a U-turn here. I'll just give them a call, and we'll give them a call later on and see. Hopefully I'm going the right way. There's no outlet there, so wow, look at this big boat, guys. You guys see that big boat? Holy crap. Brand new. I'm just gonna pull over here real quick. It's looking like he's too busy, guys. I'm gonna go home. I'll give him a call later on. Maybe I could stop down on Monday. Just getting you a little footage here on this back road here, going back up to my friend's house. Well, guys, I haven't even put this underwater yet. It says it could go 33 feet, but I'd probably only take it around 5 feet. I don't know. But anyway, guys, there's more videos like that coming. Some kind of ambulance or cops in the background. I like it. I like it. So, guys, thanks for watching, and I sure do appreciate it if you leave a like button and subscribe and leave a comment. We'll see you on the next video.